Good morning guys, I'm back. I'm completely jumping around today. I've just got off that train. I'm now in Jodpur, but I didn't want to film the train and do all of that. It's a bit pointless really, you've seen me enough on them. So I'm now going to get a tuk-tuk to the hostel and I will catch you when I'm there. If by magic, like I said, I'm off to my hostel for a grand total of 50p. So I've arrived at the hostel. It's a great group of guys actually, it's a really nice place. There's quite a few people in here with me, but it's all really clean, all really nice, and breakfast is included. So breakfast tomorrow morning is on the house, which is really cool. I'm just going to have a little wander out now. I haven't eaten, it's like 2 o'clock. Because I was on the train there was no food, so I'm going to wander out, get some food, come back and see where the evening takes me. So I've just sat down and found found some friends and some sort of food. Everything here looks weird. I can't find a normal restaurant, so we've gone with a bit of street food with some lovely gentlemen there to see what it tastes like. That food was surprisingly good. It was I forgot how frustrating it is to be at where it's really noisy and stuff. Walking back to the hostel now, gonna have a shower and then I think I'm gonna get rid of the old goatee. I'm gonna have a shave tomorrow, so we're jumping around a bit now guys. I got back to the hostel, had a shower, had a freshen up. I had to stop here because it was on the way to Delhi and I've got a flight from Delhi in 7 days to Nepal, so I didn't have a choice really but to stop here. I'm here for 3 nights, so it's not going to be exciting, I'm afraid. I'm still going to vlog every day and take you along, but I'm just going to chill. Don't expect anything drastic, so just pre-warning you. But I'm going to grab some food now and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Just sat down at this sort of roadside cafe thing for something to eat. I'm having he described it as a vegetable pizza, so it'll be quite nice. So I'm going to eat that, head back to the hostel and probably call it a day. But I'll be interested to see what this looks like. Pretty damn good. Good man, it's nice. Nice pizza. What a lovely couple of people. They were really nice. It's really refreshing to go in and eat somewhere and just know that you're welcome back and the food's good and fresh and hot. It was basically just like a vegetable pizza. I'm back at the hostel now. I'm going to call it a day for today guys. Like I said before, it's not going to be the most exciting 3 days, but once I get to Nepal we can kick things back off again. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.